Okay, in this tutorial we're going to do attaching your tying thread and basic thread control. So holding the end of your tying thread in your left hand and your bobbin in your right, place the tying thread over the hook shank and go once around the hook shank and then come back into the one that you're holding in your left hand and use this as a guide to slide each turn of tying thread nicely in to the previous. So we go up here like this, and if you keep pressure on your bobbin and on this and use that as your guide, you'll get a very nice flat foundation of tying thread. This is important if you're doing a floss body or a tinsel body over this, because if your underbody, if your foundation is uneven, your tinsel body or floss body will generally be uneven as well. So you can follow that up as long as you need to cover the whole hook shank. If you keep pressure on your bobbin and pressure on this and jerk it, you can break it off if the thread's not super strong. You can remove it with your scissors as well. So we just go up here. Now another thing is that once you've made about 10 wraps of tying thread around the hook shank, watch what my bobbin does now when I release it. It's spinning anti-clockwise, because every turn you make around the hook shank you naturally spin your bobbin once clockwise. You can't avoid this. So every 10 or so turns, what I like to do is take my bobbin and just give it a little spin anti-clockwise. Now this does two things. It corrects your thread. If I spin it back again, watch what happens if I want to tie something in. So if I wanted to tie that in there, watch what happens to the thread now. It goes all over the place. You've completely lost thread control. But if I spin it anti-clockwise to correct it, watch what happens now. It's perfect. So I'll show you once more. If I haven't spun it up, if I haven't corrected it, you don't have thread control. It goes all over the place. So spin it anti-clockwise every 10 or so turns, and what you get is perfect thread control. So the other thing with spinning it anti-clockwise is, if you can see that, you get also a flat profile. There we are. So spin it anti-clockwise, you get a flat profile that you can take your dubbing needle and split your thread for spinning dubbing in or CDC. And also with a flat profile you get a super ultra fine body that is more or less almost invisible. So if you spin it clockwise, you'll twist the thread and it'll get a round profile that you can use as a rib or finishing the fly. So remember, after every 10 or so wraps, give your bobbin a spin anti-clockwise just to correct it again, and your thread control will be much better. Thanks for watching.